Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful flower step by step. It's simple, relaxing, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. My yarn is medium thickness and I'm using a tree hook. First, we make a slip knot on the yarn. To crochet our flower, we start by making chains. I make a total of 52 chains. My chains are ready. Now I yarn over the hook and skip 2 chains, inserting into the third chain. I pull the yarn through. There are 3 loops on the hook. I pull through all 3 loops together to make a half double crochet. Then I insert into the next chain. I make another half double crochet. In this way, we continue by making 1 half double crochet into each chain until the end of the row. I've reached the end of my row. I've completed 1 full row of half double crochets. Now I chain 6 and turn my work. I insert into the chain directly below. I make a single crochet. I chain 6. Into the next chain, I make a single crochet. I chain 6 again. Into the next chain, I make a single crochet. Chain 6, 1 single crochet. In this way, each time I chain 6 and make 1 single crochet. We make only 1 single crochet into each stitch. Do not skip any stitches. Continue across all stitches with 6 chains and 1 single crochet. You continue this way until the end of the row. I've reached the end of the row. At the end, I leave 8 half double crochets unworked. This is where we will crochet the leaves. I chain 1 and cut the yarn. I hide the yarn tail inside. Then I cut the remaining yarn. The petal part of our flower is now ready. Now let's move to the last 8 stitches. We will crochet the leaves. For the leaves, I use green yarn. I make a slip knot. Here is the first half double crochet we made earlier. I insert my hook into it and secure my loop. I chain 4. I yarn over twice, and into the chain space I make 1 triple crochet. Again, I yarn over twice. Into the next chain I make 1 triple crochet. Into the next chain I make 1 more triple crochet. I chain 3. I slip stitch into the same space. I yarn over twice again. Into the next chain I make 1 triple crochet. Into the same place I make another triple crochet. I chain 3. I slip stitch into the next chain. 1 leaf is ready. I chain 4. Into the same place I make 1 triple crochet. Into the next chain I make 2 triple crochets in the same space. I chain 3. I slip stitch into that same space. Into the next chain I make 1 triple crochet. Into the same place I make another triple crochet. Again I yarn over. Into the last chain I make 1 triple crochet. I chain 3 and slip stitch into the same place. I chain 1 and cut the yarn. Our leaves are ready. I secure the short yarn tail and cut the remaining ends. I hold the flower in my hand and slowly roll it into shape. Be careful during this step. Make sure the layers align neatly from the back. My flower is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.